How to fix audio not working in Teams. So here I am in the Microsoft Teams application. So from here, there are different solutions that you can do to fix your audio. First is that you need to make sure that you are connected to your correct audio right here in your desktop. So from here, you can just go to the volume mixer right here. So just click this one, select a sound output. Also, make sure that you have your volume set up right here and make sure that you are not muted, because sometimes even though that the volume is 100, you can see right here, the volume is muted. So when your volume is muted, you cannot hear anything. So make sure to unmute this and then click select a sound output, and then make sure you are connected to the correct output device. So in my case, I'm using my laptop speakers. So that's why I have speakers right here. But sometimes it might connect to a different device. So for example, you have your earphones, you have your headphones. Sometimes they can be selected right here without you knowing it. So make sure you are connected to the correct output device that you want to use. So it's either your speakers or your earphones or headphones, whichever you prefer. And then make sure if you have this one cable input, make sure that this is not also selected, because this one is a virtual cable that I have set up in my recording application. So when you do this, you cannot also hear any kind of audio. So just make sure you're using the correct output device. And then for the volume mixer, make sure that you have the correct volume right here. After that, after you have configured your desktop audio, now you need to make sure that Microsoft Teams also uses the correct output device or audio device. So to do that, just click the three dots right here, click settings. From here, go to devices. Here you will see audio settings. So here you can make sure that you are using the correct speaker. So make sure you're using your speakers right here, or if you're using any kind of earphone or headphone, select them also right here. For your microphone, if you're using different microphones, make sure you're also selecting the correct microphone that you're using. And then you can also see some different options right here if you want, like automatically adjust mic sensitivity, sync the device button. So for example, if your headphones has buttons, you can also use that. You can also allow noise suppression, spatial audio, and then secondary ringer. And then after you have made sure that everything is correct right here, now you should have your audio settings fixed. So if you are still having some problems even after double checking all of the audio settings, you can try restarting your laptop first to see if that fixes the problem. And then after restarting, if it's still not working, now you can try to use the Microsoft Repair feature. To do that, just go to search, type in control panel. From here, go to programs and features. And then in the search bar, just type in Microsoft. You will see this one, Microsoft 365 or the Microsoft 365 apps for business. So the difference is that when you use Microsoft 365, this pertains if you're using a personal Microsoft account. If you're using a business account, then use this one, Microsoft 365 apps for business. Once you select an application right here, click change, click yes, and then you have two options. You have the quick repair, and then you also have the online repair. So I suggest using quick repair first, because this will fix most issues quickly without using an internet connection. So after, if you have used quick repair and if you're still having some issues, now you can use online repair. So this will fix all issues, but will take a little longer and requires an internet connection throughout. We just choose from the two options right here, click repair, and then keep in mind that this will take like a couple of minutes before it finishes. And then once it finishes, just open Microsoft Teams again, and then your problem should now be fixed. And then that is it. So that is how we can fix audio not working in Teams. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.